Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In this video, you will be learning 25 most important words that you should know as a beginner. You can visit our page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, transcripts, early access to our videos and more. So let's begin. 25 Wörter für Anfänger. 25 words for absolute beginners. All you have to do is listen and repeat. The first word is Entschuldigung. Once again, Entschuldigung. You use this word to excuse yourself and also to apologize. A more formal way of saying this would be Entschuldigen Sie. Once again, Entschuldigen Sie. The next word is Danke. Once again, Danke. You might also come across Vielen Dank. Vielen Dank. Or Dankeschön. Dankeschön. As a reaction to this, you say Bitte. Once again, bitte. Bitte is also used when you are making a request. Let's look at the next word. Hallo. Once again, Hallo. This is a very common word used to greet in Germany. Das Wort. Once again, das Wort. Das is the article for this word. Every noun in German has an article. The next word is manchmal. Once again, manchmal. Heute. Once again, heute. And the next word is gestern. Once again, gestern. Morgen. Once again, morgen. Alles. Once again, alles. You can say Das ist alles. Once again, das ist alles. Der Hunger. Once again, der Hunger. In this case, the article is der. There are 3 articles in German: der, die, and das. And often you would say, Ich habe Hunger. Once again, ich habe Hunger. Moment. Once again, Moment. If you have to ask someone to wait, you say Moment. Or you can say Einen Moment bitte. Der Abend. Once again, der Abend. You can also bring 2 words together and say heute Abend. Once again, heute Abend. Das Auto. Once again, das Auto. Das ist mein Auto. Once again, das ist mein Auto. Später. Once again, später. Here's how to use it. Ich komme später. Once again, Ich komme später. Let's move on to the next word. Gleich. Once again, gleich. Ich komme gleich. Once again, ich komme gleich. The next word is very important. Ja. Once again, ja. And if you have to say no, you will say nein. Once again, nein. The pronunciation is same as the English number 9. The next word is gut. Once again, gut. Gut is an adjective. Das ist gut. Once again, das ist gut. The next one is a noun. Das Haus. Once again, das Haus. Das ist mein Haus. Once again, das ist mein Haus. Essen. Once again, essen. Essen is a verb, just like the next one. Trinken. Once again, trinken. The verbs in German always have to be conjugated. Ich esse und trinke. Once again, ich esse und trinke. Let's look at the next word. Das Handy. Once again, das Handy. How would you make a sentence to say, this is my mobile phone? We just learned it for the case of Haus and Auto. Das ist mein Handy. Once again, das ist mein Handy. Well done. And the next word is das Geld. Once again, das Geld. The last word is an adjective. Schön. Once again, schön. Das ist schön. Once again, das ist schön. And here are all the 25 words once again. Entschuldigung, danke, bitte, hallo, das Wort. Manchmal, heute, gestern, morgen, alles. Der Hunger, Moment, der Abend, das Auto, später, gleich, ja, nein, gut, das Haus, Essen, trinken, das Handy, das Geld, schön. If you want to learn some more German, you can visit our A1 playlist and start learning the beginner's level. If you want to practice what you have learned today, you can download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!